Hey yo, it's your gentle Renes Cast. I got a present for you, Wonders Journal. Do you feel me? And don't forget to follow my Instagram Renes Cast and YouTube as usual. The journal started Dar es Salaam TZ Poster Fair. Suddenly, I got a phone call from my brother Zanzibar Andy. He said, "Are you okay?" Yes, I'm good. Nice. Can you do me a favor? Sure. Thanks. Can you buy for me some banana and send the money via M-Pesa? Oh, cool, but bro, I'm running with time. Now it's 11:22. The ball leave at 12 Saturday. I think it's difficult to make it. Boat out is not far away. Just another side Kariako, you buy banana chop and you go back to the boat. I was I don't worry. Dude, let's try this. Yes, my boy. You got this. I wish you luck. Cool, bro. It took 20 minutes to send the man. At 12:05 I received it. Just imagine. In my head is spinning around and got 25 minutes to go. I decided to take a boda because it's very fast than a car in town. I found a boda driver. I asked him, "Can you go to Kariako to buy bananas?" And I'm running time at 12 Saturday. I should be in boat. So can you make it? In Kariako, I guess not possible because of the fire so that was happening there. So possible place, let's go to Mabibo place, you can get it. How long we can take and how much fare? It takes 16 minutes and the fare is 10k. I do as my friend. I shock it. It's a lot. Because the brother sent me 15k to buy bananas. Deep breathe. I said, deal. Let's go, hurry, but don't wreck it. Until I made it, it's not easy. Finally. Every single breathing and out Zanzibar makes you wonder. You are so special and amazing to which is a beautiful Iceland. Thanks so much for watching. I got a special love for you. I hope so you enjoyed it. And please don't forget to follow my Instagram Renes Cast and YouTube as well. I love you so much.